2013 feiern wir die Weltpremiere des Volocopter.
First up, let's uncover the science behind the Volocopter, the star of the recent Paris Air Show. This groundbreaking flying machine operates on the principle of electrical vertical takeoff and landing technology. It features multiple rotors and advanced flight control systems that allow it to maneuver through urban environments with exceptional precision. Electric propulsion systems powered by advanced batteries enable the Volocopter to achieve emission-free flight while significantly reducing noise levels compared to traditional helicopters. The combination of lightweight materials, aerodynamic design, and innovative flight control algorithms allow it to provide a safe and efficient mode of air mobility. It's a marvel that opens up new possibilities for transportation in densely populated areas. Airport